Hello, all. Welcome to this session. In this session, I'm going to explain the different programming languages that are supported by Selenium. So, what are the different programming languages? Programming languages that are supported by Selenium test automation tool. Selenium test automation tool supports good number of programming languages, but top three are Java, Python, and C hash or C sharp. These are the top three programming languages which are supported by Selenium. And if you say top five, then we'll get JavaScript and Ruby. Now, these are the top five. Top three are Java, Python, C sharp. Then top five are Java, Python, C sharp, JavaScript, and Ruby. And many more programming languages and many others. Okay. Selenium test automation tool supports so many programming languages where top three are this Java, Python, C sharp, whereas top five are this Java, Python, C sharp, including JavaScript and Ruby are the top five. And there are many other programming languages which are supported by Selenium test automation tool. How to confirm that these are the programming languages which are supported by the Selenium test automation tool? The best way is to go to the official website of Selenium. Let me take you to the official website of Selenium. Let me open the browser. In that browser, let me take you to the official website of Selenium. Once we land on the official website of Selenium, let me select downloads. Once we are on once we are on the downloads page of the Selenium official website, if you scroll down, here we have a section known as Selenium clients and WebDriver language bindings. Here you can see the top five programming languages which are supported by the Selenium test automation tool. They are none other than Java, Python, C Sharp, then JavaScript and Ruby. These are the top five programming languages which are supported by the Selenium test automation tool. But I also mentioned that Selenium not only supports these top five programming languages, but there are many other programming languages which are supported by Selenium. What are the other programming languages then? To find out the other programming languages apart from this top five, here we have a link. Other languages exist. Click on that link and you will be taken to this ecosystem page of this official website. If you scroll down, here you will see the remaining language bindings like, Go programming language, Haskell, JavaScript is already done. So Perl, PHP, R, Dart, Pharo, Smalltalk. Okay. At this moment, these are the different programming languages which are supported by Selenium test automation tool. What actually support means by, okay? If Selenium is supporting Java, what does it mean? Let me give a small demo. So whatever I'm trying to do right now is a demo only, guys, okay? You may not be understand the technical, you'll not be able to understand the technical stuff, what I'm going to demonstrate. Only see the concept wise, okay? I just want to prove my point that Selenium supports the Java programming language. That's it, okay? Don't go too technical. All the technical stuff that you don't understand in this particular demo will be covered to you in the upcoming sessions, okay? So here is the demo. You see here some Selenium automation code is written and the Selenium automation code is written along with the Java programming language, okay? So this is a class from Java, this is a main method from Java. Inside the main method, some Selenium automation code is there. So here Selenium is supporting which programming language? I can run this code, guys, okay? Selenium plus Java code I am able to run. Here Selenium is supporting which programming language? Because of which Selenium automation is possible? Java programming language. Similarly, in place of this, okay, here Selenium code is inside the Java language. Okay, or Selenium code is used along with the Java programming language. You can also use Python language, C Sharp language, JavaScript, Ruby, and other programming language along with the Selenium automation code. All this technical stuff about the Java and the Selenium automation code will be covered to you in the upcoming sessions. For now, I'm using this sample code for demo purpose only. Okay, don't try to understand this, but try to get the point that how Selenium supports the Java programming language at a high level. Okay, don't go too technical in these concepts. Okay, fine. Similarly, I told you, right? You can use a Selenium automation code with Python language. In place of, in this example, it was Java language. Okay, here I'm using Java language. But I can also use Python language with Selenium automation code. I can also use Selenium automation code with C Sharp language or JavaScript language, Ruby language, and The other remaining languages like Go, Haskell, Perl, PHP, R, Dot, Paro, Smalltalk, and so on. Okay. The top three most popular used programming languages in the market. If you go and go to some companies where Selenium automation projects are being used for automation purpose by few of the projects, there you can see the most of the people who are using Selenium automation tool will use these top three programming languages for automation along with Selenium. That is either Java, Python, C Sharp. And very rarely you will also see JavaScript and Ruby. That's why they are top five. Okay. These are the top three programming languages used by people in the market as part of Selenium automation. Top five are this one. And you already know many other programming languages, but very rare to see such kind of programming languages with the Selenium automation tool in the market. Mostly, if you find any project where someone is using Selenium automation tool, you will either come across Java, Python, C Sharp in most of the cases. Okay. Very rarely you will see JavaScript, Ruby, and even very rarely, you will see the other programming languages with Selenium automation tool. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.